Hi guys, welcome to our channel BPO Coder. If you're new to this channel, then please do like, share and subscribe to our channel BPO Coder. Today, we are going to see how to create a bar chart using VBA Excel. So to create this type of chart, we require the data as shown on the screen. As you can see, this is the sample data which I've created in Excel to demonstrate how to create a bar chart using VBA Excel. What we are going to do is first we are going to see the output of our chart, and then we will be having a deep understanding and the explanation of a code to create this type of chart in VBA Excel. So let's get started. So as you can see on the screen, this is our bar chart in VBA Excel, which has a title, the data labels as well as the data table over here. And if you want to know how to create this type of chart, now let's dive into our VBA editor and see what all codes has to be written to create this type of bar chart in VBA Excel. So as you see on a screen that this is our VBA editor, and this is the sub procedure which we have created to create a bar chart. So we will be seeing that what all codes has to be written to create a bar chart in VBA Excel. So let's get started. Now what we are going to do is we are going to select a single cell inside our data. As you can see, this is our data and we have selected a single cell called E5. So to select a single cell, we have to use range and E5 dot select. Once you have selected this, then we are going to type active sheet dot shapes dot add chart 2, and inside the brackets we are going to give some parameters to create this type of chart. As you can see, there are 4 parameters mentioned inside this bracket. We will see what are they now. First, we are going to give a chart value. So as you can see, 2 is the chart value for our bar chart in this video. And then we are going to give a chart type. So as you can see, we are going to create a bar chart in VBA Excel. So we are giving Excel bar as the another parameter. Remember, you have to separate each and every parameter by a comma. Now what we are going to do is we are going to position our bar chart by top and left so that it can be placed over here. Once you have given these parameters, then you have to close the bracket and then you have to select the chart. So you have to use dot select over here once you close the brackets. So once you have written this line of code, your bar chart will be created, but there will be a bar chart which will be created which has no title or data label or data table. So to show these elements inside the chart and the chart title, to present it well, as you can see on the screen, we have to use a with statement over here. So we will be seeing in depth that what the with statement is over here. Let's start it. So with the with statement, we are going to type with active chart. As you can see, we have selected our chart over here. Once created, then it becomes our active chart. Now we are going to use a with statement and we are going to do some operations with the active chart. So for that, we are going to write with active chart, and below that we are going to type as title equals to true. Once you have given this line of code, this line of code informs VBA that yes, we do have a chart title and it understands and creates a space for our chart title. Next, what we are going to do is we are going to set our chart title. So to do that, we are going to use dot chart title dot text and then equals to. In this video, I have given the chart title as bar chart in VBA Excel. Here, you can modify this as per your convenience. Once you write these lines of code, your chart title will be created and appear inside your chart. Once you have created your chart title, now what we are going to do is we are going to set some elements inside our chart. Let's see what are they. The elements will be, the first element which we are going to set is by using dot set element is we are going to show the data labels. As you can see, there are data labels as shown as 362, 579 and so on. So to show this data label, we are going to use dot set element. Inside the bracket, we are going to type MSO element data label show. Once you have written this line of code, it will show the data label inside your chart. Then if you want to remove the grid lines from your chart, then you can use dot set element. That is the next line of code, which is dot set element, and inside the brackets you have to give MSO element primary value grid lines none. This will remove the grid lines inside your bar chart. And then we are going to create this table as shown on the screen over here inside the chart. To create this type of table, we have to use dot set element, and inside the brackets it will be MSO element data table with legend keys. As you can see, your table has a legend keys which shows what values are these showing inside your bar chart. Once you have written this line of code, you will be able to create a table and show the values as well for it. Now, at last, what we are going to do is we are going to, as you can see, that we have the data labels shown on the chart over here. So what we are going to do is we are going to delete a value axis inside our bar chart to be more presentable. So for that, what we have written a line of code is dot axis. Inside the brackets, we are going to give Excel value, and then outside the brackets, what we are going to do is we are going to type dot delete. So it will automatically delete the values axis inside our bar chart. Once you have written these lines of code, then you have to end the with statement. As you can see, we have started a with statement and we have given some lines of code inside it, and then once done, we are going to end the with statement using the end with. Once you have ended your with statement, and once you have written these lines of code, then congratulations, you will be able to create a bar chart in VBA successfully. Now, as you can see that we have selected our bar chart over here. So to deselect our bar chart once created and set the element and the chart title, we are going to deselect the chart by typing range and any empty cell over here. As you can see, I4 is the empty cell which I want to be selected. You can select that any empty cell inside your Excel sheet, and your chart will be deselected. If you like this video, then please do like, share and subscribe to our channel Be Pure Coder. And congratulations, you have learned how to create a bar chart in VBA Excel successfully. Till then, now, if you want to learn more about the chart series in VBA Excel, then please do visit our channel BPO Coder and subscribe to our channel BPO Coder. Till then, have a great day. Bye.